Hi there, welcome to unboxing video of a Ultrasaber mystery box. Just got this. This is my very first Ultrasaber and my first mystery box unboxing video. So this is interesting all the way around. Got my hiding out in the garage because my wife doesn't know that I ordered this. So like I say, never had a Ultrasaber before. Sorry for the noise here. If you've watched these videos like I have a couple times, this is always one of the worst parts, having to listen to all that. Thought about building my own lightsaber, but for the cost, $75 for a basic lightsaber, I think that's pretty reasonable when you consider what it would cost you to build your own. And then, because I've never had a saber myself before, I went ahead and spent the $200 to get the one with sound, because why wouldn't you want to have one with sound after all? So, here it is, the moment of the big reveal. As you saw, I got the mid-grade saber there. So I have no idea what to expect here. This will be fun for all of us. Put the knife down and let's see what we get. Nice. Alright, look at that. That is one nice looking blade. And let's go ahead and pop open our battery compartment here. There we go. Got some. That was interesting. Didn't expect it to make that kind of noise. Very cool. It's got the windows in here. Let's go ahead and pop off the cap of this. Oh, set screw dropped out of here right away. I backed that set screw out a little bit so I can get the blade in. I'm doing that. As you can see, I've got many projects and toys behind me. Work in the arcade field, so the video games. Got a lot of projects going on here in the garage. There we go. Nice little tighten up. And let's see what we get. Nice. Seems to be a problem with the sound though. I don't know what's quite going on. There we go. I don't know what's going on with that soundboard in there. Nice green sound that occasionally comes on and off. Yeah, something's going on with that soundboard. I'm going to have to contact Ultrasaber and see what's going on there. But very cool. All right, enjoy.